Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to talk about the best geraniums for your garden. Geraniums are must-have garden plants. They're ideal for padding any gaps in your herbaceous borders or flower beds, and we all have gaps. They give an informal yet exuberant feel to any plantings. Geraniums are low maintenance and provide interest and colour from spring until winter, so it's no wonder that the experts advise, if in doubt, plant a geranium. Many geraniums are scramblers, and this means that their foliage spreads out at the border, filling any spaces with delicate flowers. This is especially useful in places where you've planted spring bulbs that disappear completely in summer. Bulbs like tulips, anemones, crocuses, daffodils, netted irises and snowdrops all have foliage that melts away in summer, leaving bare earth behind. Yet you can't plant anything in that space, as it would stop the bulbs from coming back up in spring. This is the situation where geraniums shine. Most geraniums are clump forming, so their roots never interfere with adjacent plants, yet their foliage works its way around, weaving into large and small spaces, but never overwhelming plants. Once geraniums are established, the only work required for most types is to cut back dead growth in spring. It will come as no surprise to learn that we've been looking at some of the best geraniums already in this video. The magenta one with the black eye is called Thompson, and it flowers all summer long. It's a sport of Folkard, which is also excellent. The violet blue geranium is the award-winning Rozanne. This also flowers all summer long, making glorious clouds of blue, and it's perfect for the front of a border. And lastly, we have Geranium renardii, a smaller plant than the others, with tactile, felt-like leaves that you'll enjoy long after the white, violet-veined blooms of early summer have passed. All four may be grown in full sun or part shade in well-drained soil and are suitable for US hardiness zones 5 to 8. Thompson and renardii also do well in zones 9. All are hardy to -20 Celsius. Happy growing!